Hi guys, so on this channel today,
It's alright.
One second.
No,
So,
wait,
put it on the ground, yeah, I hope you're feeling well today. So, we're going to be doing this video. So, we got all these 3 RC cars, 2 boys, who are going, so I'm going to put this on a stand. If you like RC stuff, follow our, here. You can see perfectly. So what I'm going to do actually, I'll tell you see from here better. So today we're going to be like doing a pretty cool video. So this is our plan. What we're going to do. So technically what we're going to do today is
Don't drive it, okay? Don't do anything because... Carlos, what's that? That one.
I got no idea.
Who's driving it?
Look guys, I've got nothing on here, okay? Look. Nothing. Look. What's that? And it does that. All by itself. What the heck? It must be this car's really old. Oh my god. What is one of those? Oh, that's weird, guys. That is like really weird. Can you hold mine?
No.
It's drawing like fucking me. So just don't press anything, it's drawing already.
So, hey guys.
Just hold both hands. So you see here, that's just some speed test of this one.
And with that RC car, it's a beauty. Whoop. Even right. Pretty fast.
Oh, thanks for last year. We got 20 likes. I got a bunch of new subscribers. Wow. You never do this. Oh wow.
Now can I have a go? I'm gonna make this.
So now he's driving. I'm going to put you on half, okay?
Oh, whoosh! Sorry.
So I'll put you on the low.
Why low?
Because you can't do you see that how? Oh, low one. So now it's on half. It's on half speed actually. It's actually half. So fine, you're doing. Okay. So you see, it's pretty cool actually.
Yep.
Just keep filming, okay? And I'll let you have a go in the end.
Wait 1 second. Can you hold this real quick?
Yeah, sure.
Can I get up here?
Yeah, sure. You can get up there and film it. So, I hope my.
You got?
I'll let you try.
Whoops! It went out.